Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by stopping all live sessions so files aren't corrupted. You must be an administrator. If not, sign in with an admin account. Close active remote desktop windows, sign out of Chrome profiles, and quit Chrome completely so no background process blocks uninstall. Once done, open Settings or Control Panel. This is where you remove programs. Make sure to note any host codes or pairing info if you plan to reinstall later, because you'll need them to reconnect. You'll remove the app next. Go to Apps and Features or Programs and Features, find Chrome Remote Desktop, and choose Uninstall. Then, open the Remote Access Web Console or Google Account Device List and remove the host entry so the machine is deregistered. Make sure to clear the Chrome extension if present and delete any service files in User App Data or /library where the host service stored keys. This prevents automatic reconnection and cleans credentials from the system. Restart your computer to stop leftover services. A reboot finalizes file and registry cleanup. After boot, confirm there are no CRX, agent, or remote desktop processes running and check the services list for removed entries. If Chrome still prompts or the host reappears, reinstall Chrome Remote Desktop and perform a clean uninstall or manually delete credential files and registry keys as a last resort. If you hit errors, run the uninstaller with elevated rights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.